Hello my dear students, in this video we will discuss the topic town, trade and finance. Students, as you know, after the coming of the Industrial Revolution in England, the new town develops which were known as the industrial town. Like as I told you, Birmingham, Lancashire, Manchester, these were the industrial town which developed in England. And after the development of this industrial town, obviously industrial revolution led to the increase of the trade from Europe, inside the Europe also and outside the Europe also. And all these things led to the coming of the finance into the England. So this thing we discuss in detail in this chapter, in this video. From 18th century, many towns grows in Europe. Because of the Industrial Revolution coming in England, and after England it is spread to other parts of the Europe. And out of the total 19 European towns, in the 18th century, total 19 European towns which developed, among these total 19, 11 towns were there in Britain. Means only 8 towns were there in rest of the Europe and 11 towns were there in Britain only. This thing shows that Britain had become a major urban center. And among these 11 towns of Britain, one of the most important center of the trade was London. It was the largest also, largest town as well as the main center of trade. Why? Which thing led the London to be so much important, and which made it one of the largest town of Britain. So here we discuss the reasons why London became one of the largest and the most important center of trade in the 18th century. So number 1, it became the center of a triangular trade. But a triangular trade means the trade between Europe, then Asia and then Africa. This is the triangular trade. So London became the center of the trade network between England, Africa and West Indies. Sorry, beta, England, Europe, in Europe it is England, okay, then Africa and West Indies. West Indies, beta, it was there near in the America. Okay, so it became the center of that. How it became, this I will show you through the map. It became the loan source center. Loan source center for the international trade by replacing Amsterdam. But earlier the city of Amsterdam was the center of loan. The place from where when the trade was done, international trade was done between various continents, Europe, Africa, Asia, West Indies, then the main center of the finance earlier before the 18th century was Amsterdam. Where is this Amsterdam? In Europe, when you see above the Germany, there is Netherlands. See, here is the map I am showing you. Here beta, see, this is Europe. Okay, Portuguese, Spain, France, and then come up the Germany. Above the Germany is Netherlands. Okay, here is Amsterdam. But now the center changed from Amsterdam to London. Beta, this is UK, United States. इसमें यहाँ पर है England. Okay, and one of the city of England is London. So the financial center, the loan source earlier was the Amsterdam, the main city Amsterdam, which financed the traders. But now it shifted from Amsterdam to London. Okay. So it became the loan source center. Loan source center means the center from where the traders took up the loan for doing their trade, for the international trade by replacing Amsterdam. Earlier it was Amsterdam, but now London has become the main center. The companies trading with Asia and America also had their offices in London. Because London, as I told you, it occupies a central location. That's why all the international companies having the international trade links between various continents, they have one of their office at London. Also had their offices in London because it became the center of global trade through the Atlantic port. You all know there is an Atlantic Ocean which is there near to the Europe. Atlantic port of Holland and Britain after shifting from Mediterranean port of Italy and France. In the third chapter, Ottoman Empire, you have seen that Mediterranean Sea was the main region of the trade. But now it has been shifted. You can see here from this map. See beta, this is Europe. Okay, earlier the Mediterranean region was here is Mediterranean Sea. Main region because here is Asia, downside is Africa. Okay, तो इसलिए जो है यहाँ पर ये मेडिटेरियन रीजन मेन सेंटर था. यहाँ पर ये बल्कन लैंड है, रोमानिया, हंगरी, all Czechoslovakia, all these are there. So earlier the Mediterranean Sea was there the main center of global trade, but now it has been shifted to London by the Atlantic Ocean, because from the Atlantic Ocean there is a link to other oceans of the world. So after this, before the spread of railway, now the cheapest mode of transportation is railway. But before the coming of the railway, the transportation by waterway was the cheapest and the fastest mean of the transportation. And in England, there is a good network of rivers which make the movement easier. So within England, there are many rivers through which the transportation through the waterway was done. And from there, when they reach from at the port, then there is the Atlantic Ocean. From there, they can do the international trade. All navigation sections of England river flows into the sea. Means all the rivers which are there in England have to join the sea. Therefore, cargoes on river vessel. River vessel beta bolte hain small ships. Okay, and cargo the one carrying all the loads. Okay. The cargo on river vessel was easily transferred to coastal ship. Coastal ship, large ship of the ocean. Okay, and river vessel होती है छोटी नाव जो नदी में यूज होती है. कोस्टल शिप होती है जो समंदर के जहाज होते हैं वो. तो कार्गोज जो होते हैं जिनमें सामान होता है, they can easily be shifted because all the rivers are connected to the sea. That's why it is easier to transfer these cargoes from the river vessel to the coastal ships known as the coasters. Coasters किसको कहते हैं? Large ship which flow in the ocean. So all these were the reasons behind why the London became one of the largest city of Europe. One, it was the center of the triangular trade. Another, loan source. Beta, the earliest bank was established in England. The first bank was established in the year 1694. Bank of England. Bank of England was established in the year 1694, remember. And from here, it became the major source of the loan. Earlier, the traders took up the loan from the Armstrong, but now the Bank of England, which was established, it became the main center of the loans. Okay. After that, as I told you, the companies trading with Asia and Africa also had their offices because of its central location. Apart from that, in England, there are all the rivers which are there have their linkage with the sea. So it is easier to transfer all the cargoes from small ship to the larger one, and waterway was one of the cheapest mean of transportation which was easily available in Britain. So all these were the main reasons which led the London to grow as the largest city of Europe. Thank you.